Who wants to go first?
Me.
Alright. I dare you to go and give a blowjob to this guy.
Oh, no. Screw this up, man.
So,
Commit suicide.
I dare you to fart in his face.
I would never do that.
Yeah, you would.
Okay, just maybe a little toot. Hey lover, hey. Hey, you wanna go, like, get some food? Yeah, we'll go to jail. Okay. Hey. Oh, it's him. What you guys gonna do? Well, we're just gonna go get some food. Oh, can I come? No, come on. Fine. Oh, can I bring a friend? Be like a, double date thing. I guess. Oh, thank you.
Oh!
Let's go. Ew. Well, what can I get for you today? I'll have the, macaroni and cheese. And what are you gonna have? I'm doing it. What are you gonna have? I'm not really hungry. You're not hungry? No, I'm trying to watch my figure. And what? Holy shit! What is it? You have herpes all over your face. This is called acne. What can I get for you?
He's stepping away.
Get some,
Can't breathe.
I'm so tired. Okay. Proactive.
Ow. I can't breathe.
Well, if you excuse me, I have to go to the bathroom. Yeah, so what do you think? He's a keeper, right? I don't really know. Cause his face is kind of all like, what the hell is that? It's all over his face. We call that his love face. It's just so adorable. I just wanna fuck it. Okay, gross. Okay. Look, here he comes. Oh man, I swear he looks more cuter every time I see him.
Ooh.
Who's this? It's me. It's me. What happened to you? What do you mean? I look the same. I know, you just look cuter, that's what they're saying.
Oh. Ooh.
Dude, you're like a fucking squid. What is up with you? What? No, I look the same, okay? Ask anyone here. Okay, I got the holy fuck!
Oh my god.
Great, there goes our fucking food. A waiter. Okay, what do you know? Oh. Fuck. What's up with this guy? He's got like, fucking, herpes. Yeah. Fucking. So, what do you need? Well, that freak over there just scared our waiter away, so, can you, like, get it for us? Yeah, sure. You know, the
I just ran off. Oh.
Just stop it! Okay, it's gross. What do you mean?
God.
What do you mean?
Oh, my
It's
voice.
gross. That is not even a living thing. It's all over his face. So,
Keyblade.
it's gross, okay?
Oh.
I'm still alive. Herpes not gonna get the best of me. I knew it! No, I mean...
Oh.
Why you be so mean? Thank God. Here's your mac and cheese. Here's your donut. And, I'll just use this proactive. Well, that was a fun dinner, I guess. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Get a little closer.
So, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Huh? Huh? Bend over. We want to be on top or what?
Yeah.
Spread them.
What do you want for dinner?
Sweet it.
Suck that cube.
Open up the magic. Yeah. Oh yeah.